great book should leave you with many experiences and slightly exhausted at the end. You live several lives while reading.
You can never get a cup of tea large enough or book long enough to suit me.
There's no friend as loyal as a book.
Books are the quietest and most constant of friends. They're the most accessible and wisest of counselors, and the most patient of teachers.
The book for the 7th grade is As Time Goes by Michael Walsh.
The book for 8th grade is The War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells. The book for 9th grade is Poor Dad, Rich Dad by Robert Kiyosaki.
The book for 10th and 11th grades is Andersen's Fairy Tales by Hans Christian Andersen.